Hello viewers, welcome to this video lecture series on C programming. Today's topic of discussion is on C tokens. How do you define C tokens? The smallest individual units are known as C tokens in a C program. Languages we have the English, Kannada, Hindi, all these languages. How do you learn this language? In order to learn this English language, you need to learn the alphabets of this. You need to learn which are the digits, which are the special characters, and with this you can form definitely the words, the sentences and the paragraphs. Similarly here in C language, we call those smallest individual units as tokens. Now these tokens are broadly classified into 6 types. The first one is called as a keyword, identifier, constant, string, special symbols are there, and then you have the operators. Now in detail you will be learning in my future sessions each of these C tokens. Presently I just wanted to introduce these C tokens by giving the definition. First one, which is called as the keywords. Every C word is either a keyword or an identifier. Now when you are writing a C program, whatever words you are using in that program, that particular word can either be a keyword or an identifier. Now all keywords, the difference between keyword and identifier you can just see here. All keywords have fixed meanings and these meanings cannot be changed, and all keywords must be written in lowercase, like we have for example float, while, else, static, you have int, you have double, like this. Totally in C language you have 32 keywords. So these keywords have got fixed meaning. You cannot change the meaning of this keyword. You cannot make any of this keyword as a variable in your C program. We have the second type as identifiers. These identifiers are referred to the names of variables, functions and arrays. So this the user is defining the names of these identifiers. And how do you form an identifier? It has to have letters, it has to have digits. That means it may consist of letters and digits, but definitely letter should be the first character in an identifier. You can use both uppercase and lowercase letters. Normally lowercase letters are preferable. Also underscore is permitted here in identifier. For example, you might have come across so many variables. You have the variable sum, you have the variable count. Suppose you want to declare a variable simple interest, you can give with underscore. You can include digits here. Digit cannot be the first letter in the identifier. You can form identifiers with functions. Suppose you have a function called as sum, then you can write it like this. You have a array which you are declaring it. Okay, so all these are what? The identifiers. The third C token are called as the constants. These constants are having fixed values. They do not change during the execution of a program. So constants, you can make use of the keyword const. Type the name of that constant you have given maximum and you want to assign a value to this. Suppose you are assigning a value 20. That means this value 20 will be used for max in the entire program, and the value will remain same. You cannot vary this value. So in detail you have a session on constants, because constants are divided into two main categories: numeric constants and character constants. Numeric constants are further divided into integer constants and real constants, whereas character constants are further divided into single character constant and string constants. So you have a complete session on constants. Then the fourth type of C token is strings, which consist of a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. Suppose if you have a string hello here, then whatever this particular string sequence of characters, when it get enclosed in double quotes, it becomes a string. And the characters which you can use to form strings, letters can be used, numbers can be used, special characters can be used, and even blank space can be used. Blank space, I mean to say like this. Suppose you want to have a string good day, fine, you are enclosing it in double quotes. This, there is a space here, blank space, that is also allowed. You can use an underscore. That means all special characters can also be included in the string. We have special symbols. Okay, in C tokens, one more category is special symbols. Normally in C programming we make use of some characters like the square bracket, okay, then the flower bracket. So we have the opening and closing braces, comma can be used, semicolon is used. So these type of symbols you are using in the C programming, those becomes the special symbols. Operators are the last types in the C tokens. Operators are special symbols that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical and logical manipulations. So this mathematical computations and logical computations can be done using the operator. So there will be a separate session in detail on operators. Time being, in this session, since you are going to just write very briefly about the C tokens, you can always say there are different types of operators available. We have the arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. Now how to remember these names? I have one small trick here. Just remember that the very first alphabet in English language is what? A, then followed by RL, because our country has got different religions with our different languages, L. Then you use these two letters AI, which stands for artificial intelligence, and then your curriculum is what? It is a CBS credit based system. So this way you can remember it. Just A arithmetic, fine, then R relational operators, L logical, then you have A assignment operators, then you have the increment and decrement operators, then you have the conditional operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. So this is all about the C tokens available in a C programming language. Hope this session is useful to you all. If you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.